Today we are from SMK Matanjaya going to present our solar car presentation. Presented by me, Reno Alvin binti Zulkarnain, Matthew Dalin, anak Michael Moen, and Adol Bunda anak Kawin.
A solar vehicle is an electric vehicle powered by a type of renewable energy which is the photovoltaic cells converts the solar energy directly into electrical energy. The objective of building and inventing our solar car is to create a very powerful mini solar car and create the aerodynamic concept of the car. Besides, the objective also is to create a very efficient and reliable solar car. Then, to create a very important car for the future and to maximize energy used by the motor, and lastly, to save our mother earth. The solar cells are often connected and encapsulated as modules. There are two types of connection, which are the series and the parallel connection. The series connection provides additive voltage, while the parallel connection provides additive current. When the solar cell receives enough energy, it will then change into kinetic energy, which makes the car move.
Innovation. The arrangement of the solar cell. We arrange the solar cell straight because we want to create the aerofoil shape, so it can easily be shaped to many shapes. The solar cell converts the solar energy to the electric energy. It is suitable for our project because it is very light. It is very reliable and easy to use. It can be separated into many shapes. The gear position at the motor is much smaller than the position at the rear tire. So the car will move very easily, even in low light intensity. The material used to create the tire is very light, so the car can achieve low weight. The aerodynamic shape. Our car is shaped just like an aerofoil shape at the aeroplane wings. So it will reduce the drag and lift force at the car. The center of gravity. The center of gravity of our car is located almost at the center of the car, so the car will be very stable and can move very fast.
Okay, now the car specification. The height of the car is 5.4 cm. The length of the car is 26 cm. The width of the car is 8 cm. And the diameter of the front tire is 1.1 cm. The diameter of the back tire is 1.9 cm. The gear ratio is 4:1. Lastly, the final weight of our car is 110 grams. The trial result. Then, 18 April 2012, time 10:30 AM to 1 PM, venue SMK Jalan Arab. Test 1. Time 10:30 AM. When it's high light intensity, our speed car is 1 meter per second. Test 2. Time 1 PM. Low light intensity. The speed is 0.6 meter per second. The commercial price of our car. Items: solar cell 12 unit, price 100. 180 ringgit. Compressed form 2 unit 15 ringgit. Corrugated board 2 unit 12 ringgit. Tires including rod 4 unit 20 ringgit. Gears 2 unit 6 ringgit. Bearings 4 unit 1 ringgit. Wires 0.5 meter 1 ringgit. Double-sided tape 1 unit 1 ringgit and 1 ringgit 50 cent. Plastic cover 1 unit 50 cent. DC direct current motors 1 unit 15 ringgit. So the total price of our car is 256 ringgit. And our selling price for commercial market is 275 ringgit. Conclusion. From this project, we have learned that solar energy is very reliable, harmless, and it has unlimited source. Besides that, we also learn on how to conserve and minimize the uses of our energy on Earth.
Thank you for paying attention.
We appreciate it.
Is there any question?
Any question? Hey, can you take your car? Kereta. Eh? Kereta ni. Kereta. Your car. Can you take your car? Oh.
Very good morning, Ivy.